Hello, Teacher Grace is back, and I'm happy to share to you my experiences as I begin my new journey as a J1 teacher here in the US. At ayun na nga, after ng graduation ko sa college, ay lumabas ako ng Manila to find a job, and luckily natanggap naman ako sa isang call center industry as call center agent. Then nag-try na ako mag-apply sa private school, which is STI. I'm proud to say so, at natanggap naman ako, and I started my teaching journey at STI College as senior high school teacher and college professor for almost 3 years. That was 2017 to 2019. Then nag-start ang journey ko in the Department of Education Philippines as substitute teacher in the year 2019 to 2020. And in the year 2021, very lucky na nagkaroon ako ng item. I became a permanent teacher 1 in the Department of Education at Caruhata National High School in Valenzuela. That's so lucky for me. And as I'm conquering my profession as an educator in the Department of Education, I pursued my master's degree, and also I had my promotions in the Department of Education. Ang pagiging guro sa DepEd ay nangangailangan ng matibay na puso, kaisipan at malawak na kalaman para may sustain mo yung mga pangangailangan ng mga taong nakapaligid sa iyo, especially the children or the youth or the students around you. At it is really happy in my heart na nagawa ko yon siguro sa mga batang tinuruan ko. At dahil explorer nga si Ma'am Gracious ninyo, ako ay nag-apply at natanggap rin sa 5-1 Talk as ESL teacher as my part-time job while teaching day, and I'm going to teach at night as an ESL teacher, and this gave me the opportunity to thrive with the different cultures in teaching. At eto na nga, habang pamahal ng pamahal ang mga bilihin at buhay sa Pilipinas, ay naisipan ko na rin mag-apply abroad, at of course sinubukan ko yung dream country ko, which is USA. And ayun na nga, nagkaroon ako ng mga idea dahil sa pagbabasa at pag-explore ko sa mga reels, sa mga YouTube, sa mga TikTok, and then I have learned how to do the application DIY via VS or via agency. Pero hindi po ako nag-agency dahil nga mahal ito at wala akong perang panggastos nito. At dahil nga sabi ko, sa hirap ng buhay sa Pilipinas, tumaasa na lang tayo as government employees sa paglo-loan para lang masustain yung mga needs ng family natin dahil mother nga po ako. And then, luckily, nabigyan ako ng opportunity na matanggap or magkaroon ng interview sa mga visa sponsors, which is TGP, TPG, the GEC, the EPI, at nagkaroon din ako ng chance sa All Seasons as H1B. Then nag-DIY din ako, thousands of DIY. Unfortunately, sa mga DIYs ko, laging ang sagot sa akin ay, unfortunately, aray mo. And that, luckily, natanggap ako sa mga VS like GEC, TPG, and EPI. Fortunately, sa EPI ako nagkaroon ng chance makalipad dito sa US as I prepared my documents. Natanggap ako sa kanilang pre-screening, sa kanilang PQI. Then napunta ako sa principals interviews, at yun na nga po yung pathway ko para matupad yung dream ko or American dream ko to teach in the US. At ayun na nga, after years of teaching experience sa Pilipinas from private school to public school, lumipad ako patungang US last July 18, 2026 at lumapag ako sa US at July 19, 2026. Natupad ko yung pangarap at pinagdasal ko sa Diyos to participate in the cultural exchange program as J1 teacher here in the US, and it's really fulfilling. Medyo mahaba at madugo yung pag-apply as J1 teacher here in the US, pero kung may perseverance ka, makakaya mo, lalong-lalo na kung teacher ka. Napakadami na pong J1 teachers dito sa US in different countries, so nakakatuwa kasi maraming Pinoy ang nangangarap nito. So as J1 teacher, to tell you, dapat currently teaching ka kapag nag-apply ka, hindi pwedeng hindi ka nag-teach kasi ito ay isang mahalagang requirement sa kanila. Pwede na nga magtayo ng SDO ang Pilipinas dito sa US dahil sa dami namin dito. We're in. See you in the next content, and please follow me. J1 teachers, let's rock USA. Let's look forward for the betterment of everything.